In this video, we're going to talk about how to log in to your Aspire credit card account. Be sure to keep watching this video until the end if you also want to log in to your credit card account of Aspire. Now to get started in the video, first of all, you need to open up your web browser and then search for aspire.com. This is the website of Aspire, which will look something like this once you land on it. Now from the home screen on the right hand side, you will see this login page or this login section from where you just need to type in these details and you will be logged in successfully. So firstly, you'll need to type in the username that you created while signing up. Once you type in your username, in the second box, you'll need to type in the password as well. If you don't remember either your username or your password to your account, you can click on the forgot password or username link. And through this section, if you have forgotten the password, you can type in your username and follow the steps to recover it. And lastly, if you want this device to remember you the next time you log in, you can check this box, but however, avoid doing this step if you're using a shared device. And when you finish filling in both of these information, you can just click on sign in. So that's how easily you can log in to your credit card account of Aspire. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.